Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we'll solve first model for fifth primary. He said choose correct answer. Question number 1. The triangle whose measure 90 degrees, 50 degrees and 40 degrees. We'll see which is greater angles here. Greater angle here is 90. Okay. So final result here it will be right angle triangle. Question number 2. He said 4 and 1 over 8 times 2 and 2 over 3 will say 8 times 4. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 plus 1 equals 33 over 8 times, here we have 2 and 2 over 3. We'll say 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. It will be 8 over 3. We can make sumless form. We can cancel together. Cancel 8 by 8. And 13 equals 3 times 11. Here we can cancel 3 by 3. So final result it will be 11. After that he said if 7 and 10 subset of 10 and x plus 4 then x equals space. We can cancel together, cancel 10 and here 10 also. Remainder here is 7, so x plus 4 equals 7. We want number make addition to 4 equals 7, so we'll say 3 times 4 equals 7. So final here we have x equals 3. Number 4, 3.75 times 1000. Here if we want to make times by 10 or 100 or thousands, we'll make moving to the point to right side. How many times? Here we have 3 zeros, so we'll move decimal 3 times to right side. 1, 2, and we need also 3, so here we'll put 0. Result it will be 3750. Question number 5. He said 1 over 2 or 1 over 3, which is greater here. We'll make comparing. Here we have half and third. What we'll do, we'll say 3 times 1. 3 times 1 equals 3 and 2 times 1 equals 2. Which is greater here? Yes, 3 it will be greater. The shaded part here is what? We have two sets, x and y. Here y is subset of x. Here shaded part is y, so choose the smaller, which is smaller here. Smaller here is y, cause y inside x, so here we'll say x intersect y. X intersect y meaning y, so final result it will be y. After that, number 7, he said 55.241 times 100, and in the other side we have 522.41 times 10. Here we make times 100, so we'll move point 2 times, so result it will be, here we have 5, 2, 4.1, and in the other side we'll say 5, 2, and moving point 4.1. so here result it will be similar. Here we have the same numbers, so we'll say equals. we choose what equals. After that, there are space height in the acute angle triangle. How many heights or altitudes in acute angle triangle? Yes, because it will be 3. 34 days approximately equal to the nearest week. We want to find how many weeks in 43 days. Approximately, we'll talk about table 7. 6 times 7 equals 42. And also we have 7 times 7 equals 49. Which is the nearest to 43? We have 42 is nearest, so we'll choose which? We'll choose 6. Any chord passing through the center of the circle is called what? We have chord passing through the center of the circle, we'll say it will be diameter. Question number 11, 52, the set of 52 space, and here we have 5 and 2. Here we have sets, so we'll say subset or not subset. 52, here we have only 5 and 2, and here he said 52, so the result it will be not subset. Number 12, when tossing a die or dice cube, regular cube, once the probability of appearing number divisible by 2. We have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here he said number divisible by 2, meaning in table 2. Which number here in table 2? Yes, it will be 2. And here we have 4 and 6. We have 3 elements divisible by 2, so final result it will be 3 over 6. Question number 13. He said y equals 2 and 4 and 6 union 1 and 2 and 3, then 6 space y. Here y equals what? We'll say all elements here we have 2, 4, 6, 1, and we can't repeat, so we'll say 3. Here we have element, only element, not set. 6 here, so we'll say 6 belongs. Question number 14, 5 over 8 and other side 0.5774 and 34. 5 over 8, we can find it by decimal point. Yes, because it will be 0.625. Which is greater here? Be careful, we have here 4 digits. We can put 0 from right side. Now which is greater here? 0.6250 is greater. So here result it will be more than.